Hi guys, my name is Alexander. Welcome to my YouTube channel where I'll teach you how to play accordion and improve your skills from beginners to more advanced level. Please like, subscribe and share videos to help my channel grow. Let's start. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to talk about chords and how to play them on the bass side of the accordion. Chords are a group of notes played in the same time. There are many kinds of chords in music, but we'll cover only the basic one. The good thing about the accordion is that our bass system is allowing us to play chords using only one button. As you can see, buttons are grouped in rows, starting from the contrabass row is row number 1. Fundamental row is row number 2. Now we get to the row number 3, and there we can find major chords. All the buttons in this row will sound as major chords. In row number 4, there are minor chords. Row number 5, sevenths. And row number 6, diminished chords. When we talk about how to play chords, what finger should go where, basic setup should be like this. Finger number 4 should be used to play fundamental row or second row, as well as the contrabass row. Depending on the level of the piece you play, a moment will happen when you have to use some other finger, and that's okay. You should never rely only on one option. But if you have clear, simple situation, go with finger number 4. That will allow you to play major chords with the third finger. Next will be a minor row. You play that row with the second finger. Seventh chords in a fifth row, you also play with the second finger, as well as diminished chord in row number 6. I hope you liked this video. If you have any questions, comment in section down below. See you next time.